Aristotle said, there is no great genius without some touch of madness. Engineering a carbon-neutral future in transport and mobility requires this attitude: feet on earth, head in the sky. My name is Salima Abou-Geriban. I've worked as a senior consultant in transport and mobility at Tractebel for 14 years. I am passionate about urbanism and sustainability and willing to improve the quality of life of our citizens. Mobility is a substantial part of the city ecosystem. Rather than simply seeing it as a technical challenge, we envisage it as a lever for sustainable change. Change to the way people live, work and play, not just move. It's a holistic approach. It's how we engineer innovative solutions that are bold, ambitious and fit for the future. Over the last 14 years with Tractebel, I've worked on projects throughout Europe. It's been a terrific opportunity to explore so diverse cities while helping to solve each of their unique mobility challenges. The engineers I work alongside are also really great and motivating. Because many of our projects involve EU funding, they often bring together experts from across Europe, from Brussels to Berlin and beyond. I am managing a portfolio of multidisciplinary projects of different scale and nature, from the calculation of a traffic light to a strategy for a whole country. We work a very large spectrum of studies. Tractebel, being a multidisciplinary company, is a real added value as we are offering an integrated approach to find the most sustainable solution. A project I am working on is the study of the environmental impacts of a new metro line in Brussels. Brussels is actually one of Europe's most congested cities with a growing population. The need of new infrastructures is clear. I am managing a project team of 20 experts for this very challenging topic. At Tractebel, we are reimagining transport and mobility. The future's never been more exciting.